soft reflections of what we knew, half-lit dreams still tied to you. Every step pulls me through the haze, heartbeats drifting and shifting waves. I feel the turning of distant time, like you're still echoing in my mind. Hold me one more time. Hold me one more If the night could open wide, I'd fall back into your tide. Let the world fade into blue, if it means another moment with you. Fade light on your skin, night whispers where we've been. Neon lights across the glass, every heartbeat fades to past. Empty streets and silver skies, city shadows in my eyes. Every whisper pulls me near, every silence crystal clear. Drifting through the glow again, can't remember where I've been, but the colors call my name, and I'll never be the same. Falling through neon rain, wash away the pain. Falling through neon rain, start again, start again. Every dream reflects your
Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube live. Good evening everyone. Well, actually these 2 days we have quite a lot of TP actually. Yesterday night we actually caught an entry before a dump. And today I also caught a Bitcoin as well. So both of this trade is also 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. And everything right now in crypto, a lot of things actually is very weak. So I will start off with XAU first before I go into BTC. So right now, I will start off with daily time frame first. Currently, we are still sitting at this daily time frame support. Last few days, I think it's last Thursday. Yeah, last Thursday. When it touches this daily time frame support level, immediately the price got a bounce off from this level. And this bounce off, it has a total of 2,000 pips. 2,300 pips within 2 days after the price touches this level. So right now, what do we need to do in XAU? So let me go into 4-hour time frame. Actually, 4-hour time frame right now, what I saw is there is a accumulation, manipulation, and distribution phase that are actually happening right now. And this manipulation phase, it is actually back to this very important level, which is this daily time frame support. But right now, actually the price already retraces back to this previous high already, which is this level. This is the highest point of this accumulation phase. So this actually means the market already mission completed in this accumulation, manipulation, and distribution phase, which is PO3. So right now, in 4-hour time frame, we are still looking for a downtrend because the price actually haven't closed above this level. This is 4571. So if in 4-hour time frame the price actually closed above this level, then most likely we will see the price to come back to this resistance level. If 4571 is broke above, then I will foresee the price will come back and retest this resistance level. But right now, the price, it haven't closed above yet. So let me go into 1-hour time frame. So in 1-hour time frame, I saw there's a trend over here. So over here, this is a trend. A change of trend happens over here. This is 4457. And right now, what I saw is the price actually, it has a higher low condition happens over here. So that's why I'm looking at a potential uptrend right now. But I still haven't looked for a confirmation of trend to be happen first, because this level, which is 4571, which is also the same level as 4-hour time frame, it has to broke above. So if the price actually broke above 4571, I will foresee a change, a confirmation of trend, turning from downtrend, turning into uptrend already. And most likely, this level, it will broke above. This is a 1-hour time frame resistance. So right now, we have to wait. We have to go into a smaller time frame to look for some reversal signal. Yes, correct. This is considered a reversal because currently we are catching 1-hour time frame turning from a downtrend into uptrend. So we are actually looking for a reversal in 1-hour time frame right now. So if you wanted to see the price that eventually it will broke above this level, which is 4571, we will have to go into a smaller time frame, which is 5-minute or 15-minute. Hello. When the price actually, if we wanted to see the price to affect the graph for 1-hour time frame, we will have to see 15-minute already. So actually 15-minute today, in the morning, I was doing a morning analysis with my students. So actually this morning, I am actually looking the price to break this level, which is 4510. Because if the price actually broke above this level, this actually means a change of trend, it will happen soon. But that time is around in the morning, is somewhere around here. And right now, the price indeed, it has successful to close above this level already. So what's next? What should we do next? So actually, I'm waiting for the price to come back to this white color EMA. So if the price actually came back to this white color EMA, then I will do a long trade over here. I think this one most likely it will happen by tonight, maybe around 9 o'clock. So if the price actually later, when it really retraces back to this white color line, what should we do next? We have to look for an engulfing candle to happen over here. We have to wait for an engulfing candle to be happen at this white color EMA. Set TP to resistance. You can use 1 to 3 to, okay, you can use 1 to 3 to set your TP first. Because you need to depend on the engulfing candle also, ma. Who knows later the engulfing very big, right? But try to follow the SOP first lah. What we can do is when the price actually forms engulfing over here, we can check whether or not the price actually, if we have a 1 to 3 risk reward ratio, are we actually within this resistance or not? If the price of the TP, it is actually above this resistance, or it is somewhere in the middle of this resistance, right? What can we do? We actually, first of all, we can lower down our TP, or we can, yeah, I think lower down the TP is one of the best solution for this trade. Because actually over here, we have to depends on the engulfing actually. We have to see how big is the engulfing first. But if the TP, if let's say 1 to 3 risk reward ratio are actually below this resistance, you can actually just put 1 to 3, no problem. But if the TP is above this resistance, then we will have to put somewhere in the middle already. Somewhere around, as the safest way is to put at the starting of the resistance lah. Hello Jihang. So this one, we will just have to wait for the price to come back down to this white color EMA, and let's wait for an engulfing candle to be happen. Right now, actually overall, the whole market actually it is just going up for today. So if we foresee an uptrend over here, most likely in this 1 hour time frame, it will come back to this level, which is 4571. Okay, you may put alert at this level. Actually, you see, I already put a lot of alert. This is my first alert. This is my second alert. I already have put 2 alert. So long didn't see you already. No, I haven't analyzed Bitcoin yet. Not yet. I will do right now. So for XAU, let's just wait for this long entry. Let me go to Bitcoin right now. So for Bitcoin, actually today this morning I actually successfully got 1 TP. It has a total of 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. Because overall the whole market actually it is going down. If we're looking at 4-hour time frame, right now we still have a space in between of this support level. This support level is somewhere around 64,000. So if we wanted to see the difference between from the current price to the support level, there is a total of $4,500 difference. Yes, BTC is vomiting right now. It is bleeding actually. So in 1 hour time frame right now, I don't see any entry yet. In 4-hour time frame is also the same. I don't saw any entry yet. Because this one, it might take some times for the graph to form, because actually this is quite a big time frame. But let me go into 15 minutes to look for some entry. You got short at 73,000. Actually, this price level I did mention during yesterday. Yesterday I did mention about this level, 73,000. Because this level actually it is a resistance level. It is this previous low level. And some more, in 4-hour time frame, it also have a confirmation of trend happens over here. Because this is point number 1, which is change of trend. And this is actually point number 3, which is confirmation of trend at this red color line level. So that's why we already have a confirmation of trend happens at this red color line. So that's why I am actually looking for short entry since yesterday. And yesterday, I was actually waiting for the price to touch this white color EMA in 4-hour time frame. But in the end, it didn't came to this level and straight away go down already. But don't worry, This morning I already caught this Bitcoin, but right now, in 15-minute time frame, because we just TP, so that's why we don't really have a trade set up right now. Unless in 1 hour time frame, we'll need to wait for a little bit of sideways first. Yes, I need to wait a little bit of sideways, especially hopefully the price eventually it will form a symmetrical triangle over here. If the price actually form a symmetrical triangle at this level, right, then this is the best time for us to do a short entry again. Because right now, if you wanted to do any short entry, you are actually chasing with the market. Because overall, the market actually it is going down very, very strongly right now. So if you were to enter a short entry at this level right now, right, um, it is not according to my SOP lah. Yeah, it is not according to my entry condition. But what I see over here, no matter what kind of strategy you use, right now, if you enter, actually it is very risky. It's very risky because the chart actually drops a lot already today. And the price actually didn't even retrace. It is just like going down slowly. I think BDC, according to SNR, because right now in 4 hour time frame, we already have a change of trend and a confirmation of trend, and some more a continuous of trend happens just now in the afternoon. And right, actually, I will look at this level, which is around 65,000. Look at this level. Have you TP your order, Jihan? Yes. If you do have an entry open right now, like Jihang, you can actually hold your entry, no problem, because you enter at a very high place, which is 73,000 or 72,600. You're actually entering at a quite a high level, which is over here. So if you wanted to hold your trade, you can actually hold it, no problem. But if you do not have any trade set up right now, which is the order you are opening, you do not have any order right now, I recommend you to wait a while first. Okay, put SP already. Okay, can, no problem. Which level do you put your SP? Can you tell me the price level of your safety pin? So actually, what does a SP mean? SP, it means safety pin, which means you are actually moving down the cut loss. Let's say to your entry price, or maybe you put much more lower. You are basically locking your profit. Yes. Most importantly is 不要白跑啊. Later you wait so long for one entry, but in the end, you got beat. 72,000, okay lah, 72,000 can lah, no problem lah, this level. This level, okay lah, can. But actually, I will foresee the price eventually it will come to this level lah, somewhere around 65,000 lah. I don't think it's a problem lah. Because we are actually got resisted by this daily time frame resistance though. This is a daily time frame resistance. So I am actually foresee the price to reach this level around 65,000. Okay, what you can do is, Jihang, you can go into 1 hour time frame, and if there is a change of trend happens in 1 hour time frame, you will need to be careful already. If there is a change of trend happens in 1 hour time frame, you might need to find a place to TP. Okay, but this one I think most likely it will take quite a long time to form lah. in order to form a 1 hour time frame change of trends. Okay, so this is coin. Let me go into ETH because I want to see whether ETH do we have any trades set up or not. So let me go to ETH. We start off with daily time frame first. Well, actually, in daily time frame, okay. The price actually almost arrived at this support level already. So in ETH, actually it is very weak. So if we go into 4 hour time frame, what I see over here is also keeps on having a continuous of trends. Okay, I think I know what can we do really. Maybe perhaps we have to go into 15-minute time frame. If there is a uptrend sign in 15 minutes, that is the best time because what I want to catch is a reverse from uptrend to downtrend in 15 minutes. So right now in 4 hour time frame, it is downtrend. In 1 hour time frame right now is also is consolidating. But it's downtrend. It's downtrend. But overall it is consolidating. So let me go into 15-minute time frame. So for 15-minute time frame, there is a change of trend over here. And there is no confirmation of trend turning from down to up because the price actually didn't close above this level, which is 2008. So if the price actually closed above this level, eventually what I see is a confirmation of trend actually happens in 15-minute time frame. But right now we do not see this happen, and this level 1961, this is a change of trend towards the downside. Downtrend. So right now we are just sitting in between of this 2008 and 1961. We are sitting in the middle of this level. So if we are sitting in the middle of this level, we are actually looking for an uptrend right now because this level, it is a change of trend, but it's uptrend. It's uptrend, change of trend over here. So right now, everything is although it's uptrend, but I don't recommend you guys to do any long trade. Okay, but if I notice signs of uptrend, I will start PTP. Okay, very good. Yeah, 1 hour, I will start standby. When 90 minutes, I will start PTP. 90 minutes, I think is too long already. Like you can straight away use 1 hour time frame. Like if let's say 1 hour time frame, it really have a change of trend, right? You will actually need to be careful already. Whenever it form the point 2, you might need to TP already. Okay, for BTC, I will first aim at around 66,000, okay, which is the support level. Very good. Then I will aim 58,000. My ultimate dream TP is 50,000. 50,000. Wow, this is actually quite low, 50,000. Before you look at 50,000, first of all, we may need to look at this level first, which is 62,000. If the price actually closed below this level, 62,500, then we only go and look for 50 plus K TP. Okay. But if the price actually closed below 60,000, right? Because if not mistaken, the base price for miner right now, I think is around 30,000. Let me do a research for Bitcoin miner. base price of Bitcoin price for Bitcoin miner not making money. I don't know how to ask this question, but um, if not mistaken, during the last bear market, the base price of Bitcoin actually is around 30,000. That is during the last bear market. I think right now is usually it will slightly above one. Maybe right now it is around 40,000. So actually, if the price actually reach this level, which is 40,000 or 30,000, most likely those Bitcoin miners, they will slowly not making money already, because the operating cost, it is very high when we talk about Bitcoin mining. So if the Bitcoin price actually gotten very, very low, most likely those Bitcoin miner, the costs are not able to cover, and you will see a lot of Bitcoin miner actually they are stopping their mining, or they will start to sell their graphic card to other people already. So these are the things that we need to see, like if the price actually really goes back to 40,000. If it can reach 40k, I spend 10x the team's food. Okay, thank you, bro. Thank you, Jihang. Okay, so right now actually in ETH, what can we do is right now we just have to wait for the price to have a change of trends towards the upside. I want to see a confirmation of trend to be happen first. Then I want to see a reversal happens in 15 minutes. If there is a reversal happens in 15-minute time frame, I will look for a short entry in ETH. Okay, but right now we do not have any setup yet, and I received a notification from XAU already. Oh, this this notification is going out and it's not going down. Okay, we have to wait again. Have to wait again already. Okay, 15-minute time frame. We have to wait for the price to come to this level, 4516. By the way, if the price actually goes above this resistance first, then only come back to this white color EMA, then I wouldn't enter this kind of trades, because this kind of trades eventually it will become quite risky already. ETH should aim sampai where? I didn't entry anything for ETH. I do not have any entry right now. But do you guys actually have an entry in Ethereum right now? If you guys do have a trade on Ethereum, you guys actually can see this level, which is 1,875. This level is Ethereum 4-hour time frame support level. Okay, you do not have entry right now. If you do not have entry, we just have to wait lah. Have to wait for the price to close above this level first, which is 2008. We need to see a reversal from downtrend to uptrend first. After we have seen a reversal towards the uptrend, but we wouldn't do any long trade yet. What I want to do is I want to catch the reversal of 15 minutes, turning from uptrend into downtrend. I want to catch this trend, because if we are using 15 minutes to catch a short entry, we are actually entering according to the bias of 4-hour time frame. And most likely the price actually it will arrive at this level 1,800. I think it just within this week or 2 weeks. These 2 weeks, maybe this week or next week, it will arrive at this level already. For Bitcoin, it's also the same. Bitcoin, I think it's just a few days. Most likely it will arrive at this level already. Somewhere around 66,000. 65,000, around 65,000. Most likely it will just happen within a few days or a week, the most. Okay. So right now, what can we do is for BTC and Ethereum, right now do not have any entry. what we can do is this XAU only lah. We have to wait for the price to come back to this EMA, and I want to wait for an engulfing to be happen. Then I will slowly to look for a long trade. Alright, there are a few things that I wanted to update you guys of what will be happening in June. So Kevin Walsh, it has actually taken the place of Federal Chairman on 25th of May, if not mistaken. And actually this month, third week of June, it will happen the first FOMC from Kevin Walsh. It will happen on 18th of June. So after this 18th of June, most likely I will foresee a very big volatility to be coming into the market, because I don't know what will he decide on the interest rate. I don't know whether he will remain or not. But what can we do is we might need to look at the CPI data for next week, which is next Wednesday. If CPI, which is inflation, it is getting higher already or lower, most likely I will use this CPI to predict whether or not he will lower down the interest on 18th of June. Powell do not have good afternoon, but right now we have a new guy. He will still say the same thing. He will still say good afternoon. Okay, so for XAU, actually it has a drop over here. Okay, it has a drop already. So right now we just have to wait for the price to be formed. Okay, so there are a few things that I wanted to announce to you guys. The first thing is, if you guys are based in KL or Malaysia, we are actually happening a physical event, which is called Carnival. This will happen on 18th of June, located at Damansara, Kuala Lumpur. And there is the ticket fee for this carnival, it is 99 ringgit. And this ticket, actually, it is buy one, free one. You can bring one friend over. So what are the things that we will be doing in this carnival? The first thing is, definitely, we will include your dinner. The second thing is, we have free flow beer. Free flow beer. You heard it correctly. And the third thing is, of course, we will giving out some merchandise. And the fourth thing is we will have a lucky draw session. So what is this lucky draw? So we are actually definitely this lucky draw is a very unique type of gift that were given by some exchanges. And this lucky draw gift, it is very exclusive. We're actually still getting this negotiating with those exchanges. Okay, it's just around 50 ringgit per person. If you bring one friend over, you guys can split the bill 50-50, and you will enjoy dinner and free flow beer. And at the same time, we have a total of 4 KOL in Vertex Trader Club, and we will definitely do some sharings at the session. You cannot drink. I wish to come, but I kai shui already. Is it? But this is Saturday, bro. This is Saturday. Saturday, by the way, the time is 1:30 p.m. till 10 p.m. But if you wanted to leave early, maybe after the dinner, you can leave actually. No problem. Our starting time is 1:30 till 10 p.m. The location is at D Garden Event Hall, Empire, Damansara. So if you will want to register, you may scan the QR code of this poster, and eventually it will lead you to a Google form. Remember, bring one friend over, and you guys can drink free flow beer. Need to focus, study, and FYP. Yeah, this is just a few hours, ma. And definitely the last one is we also have a happy hour over there. We'll have live DJ as well. So who want to come to this carnival? You guys may type 1 in the chat room. Who will be coming? You guys may type 1. Who will be there? If you need to arrange your time, you may type 2 in the chat room to let me know. Yeah lah, you focus now lah, Jihang. You focus now, and then during that time, you can go and enjoy. 先苦后甜嘛，先苦后甜。Yes, correct. Us as a human, we couldn't work every single day. We have to enjoy it. That's why we do trading, right? Because trading, eventually, it allows us to have this kind of life, which is work-life balance. If we do not have work-life balance, what for we are actually here, listening to my life at 8:30, whereby you can actually go to a bar and happy with your friend. Definitely, you guys will have a different kind of goals with other people. Because time is money and you guys wanted to enjoy life. That's the beauty of trading. I'm finding my +1. Okay, bro. No problem. 1.5. Make it 1 lah, Jihan. I want to see you there. Not just you, but everyone. Okay, there is a total of 8 people in this live. Hopefully, I will see you guys at 18th of July. Who go by 8:30 p.m. bro, not a.m. I was talking about right now, like 8:30 p.m. You guys may scan this QR code, and this QR code eventually it will lead you to a Google form. All right. Wow, this XAU after it drops a bit, then straight away pump radio. It didn't even come back to this level. Still very shitty. It still has around 40 pips. The distance still quite far. Have to wait again. We have to wait patiently. Come to this level. Of course, we all are going. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Yes, guys. Correct. Okay, so hopefully we will enter this trade before we sleep tonight. And I wish you guys all the best in trading and make more profit. Actually, right now, I am actually quite close to 10x my wallet already. Very close. Hopefully this one will come and pick us up, and hopefully this eventually it will be TP. Yes lah. Okay, I wish you guys all the best in trading, and anything you guys may ask me in the group chat, in the WhatsApp group. So if you haven't joined our WhatsApp group, you may click the link down in the description below. It will lead you to our WhatsApp public group, or you may scan this QR code above my camera. And this QR code eventually it will lead you to our 10x Hub team contact number. And my team eventually it will assist you in joining our community. Yes, this is the, what do you mean this is the final order? This is the next order lah. This is the next trade that I am actually planning. Okay, very good. Any questions, everyone? If you are clear with it, you may type clear in the chat room to let me know if you know what to do next. By the way, every single day in the morning and evening, if there is a opportunity in the market, eventually I will do live trading session. I will try to do live trading session every day, but this live trading session, it will be happening in our VIP membership. So if you would like to join our live trading session, you can actually PM my team, which is the QR code above my camera. You can scan it and you may tell my team how do you actually join this live trading session. And during this live trading session, eventually I will teach you guys at the same time. I will teach you guys a strategy and how do you actually trade. And you will look at how I trade as well. And while trading, in the meantime, I will teach you guys some mentality and some trading knowledge. How do I actually enter this kind of trades? And eventually I can mentor you at the Zoom there. Okay? Alright, everyone's clear with what to do next? If you guys are okay with it, you guys may type okay in the chat room. Okay. Remember, I put the poster over here and you guys may scan this QR code to join our carnival. Alright, and I see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. I will not close this Zoom first. So if you do have any question, you can actually drop your questions in the chat room.
This quiet space. From the noise I start to heal. Through the light I learn to feel. Drifting through the glow again. Can't remember where I've been, but the colors call my name, and I'll never be the same. Falling through neon rain, wash away the pain. Falling through neon rain. Start again, start again. Underneath the violet hue, all the stars are breaking through. If I fade, I'll fade in blue. Every drop returns to you. Neon lights across the glass. Every heartbeat fades to past. Falling through neon rain, I begin again. Pulled too tight, I couldn't breathe. You wore the mask, controlled the scene. But now the curtain's falling fast, and I'm not your shadow's cast. Tie me up with quiet doubt. Spoken whispers lock me out. Told me love was just a cage. Now I'm breaking through the stage. All your lines rehearsed and cold, but I won't play that role no more. I see clear, I've had enough. You don't pull my strings. I cut the strings you pulled too tight. Tore your grip right off my life. I'm not the echo you control. your hand. But here I stand, not who I am. I was broken, I was small.